Hello friends, today me and I were thinking to go to beach. It's mid of October and usually in Canada it's not a nice weather, but today we have a nice sunny day and the trees are start changing their colors. So we gonna go to the beach and gonna try to pick some sea glass if we can find them, and then I will try to get some shot with my camera, see if I can take some few nice good shots of seagull or seal. You can find anything on the beach. There is one good view up there.
The way back is better.
Yeah. So during this time in Canada, all the trees turn red and yellow, and they look very nice. And I will show you in a second. Right now we are on an open highway and there is a lot of nice tree around, and I will put this camera out from my sunroof and give you a nice look how it looks. We are here and this is our location. It's nice beach here. There's few chairs to sit down, an umbrella. Right now the tides are not low and they are neither high, so let's see if we can find anything. Any sea glasses. I don't see any birds or anything here, but I will try to take some shots of my girlfriend then. Well, let's go down. Let's go down. So this is my camera setup, and I'm using my Canon Rebel T8i with 18 to 35 mm lens. And let's see, there's no wildlife here, but I will try to take pictures of my girlfriend. You can see she's walking down the beach looking for some sea glass, and let's see what she will find. And I will put some pictures, I will take like some shots, whatever I will take in the video. You guys can see that. Okay, so let's start shooting. What color is that? That's good. Shots which I took, and just for fun we gonna take few more pictures. And can you see up there in that tip? So there is few houses there, and we're gonna try to take pictures of those houses with my camera setup, and let's see if we can zoom that in. And it's far, like it's really far. I think you can't even see in my Insta X5. So we will try and see how it look, and I will post those samples too, and you people see how they look. Oh, look at her, she finds something. She find a shell and few sea glass. That's all, my friends. Now me and I are going back to home.